SurveyJ.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. Please do subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog about making money online, hundreds of legit stuff that you can check out right away. Today, I'll put stuff in the links in the video description below for certain apps that you can sign up with today and start making money. Some of the other ones take longer and processes and actual work to do, but some are very simple, not much work to do. But anyways, let's take a look at this site here. I'm going to go over some things, my opinion, and we'll get into it. Okay, so surveyj.co, make $500 daily, made possible now. Making $500 a day, made daily, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Get paid to use your cell phone, blah, blah, blah. Earn $15 for every friend you invite. All right, sounds way too good to be true. And you get a $40 bonus for signing up. Wow, look at that. And then you get $15 for every friend that you get to refer to sign up, and then $2 for everyone who clicks on your link. Okay. And then they pay out by PayPal, Cash App, and Bitcoin, as they claim here. So what's the deal? All right, so I've saw probably hundreds of sites like this over the last few years, and they're pretty much all very shady. I'm going to show you some things on this site that will go along with that shadiness. All right, so first of all, they don't really give too much information on this site, but there's a couple things you can look for right away. So first of all, where are we located? This is one thing. They said they're in the Netherlands, but it says our address can be found on our contact page, and I haven't yet to find a contact page on this site. There's no links up top. There's none on the bottom. Okay, so that's something strange to start off with. A couple other things in here. There are testimonials. Oh yeah, by the way, before I get to that, let's see here. So they paid $7+ million. Okay, well, what is today? Today is September 2021 here, and then the site's been around since April of 2021. That's a lot of money that they claim to have paid out. Basically, they try to get you to do surveys and stuff like that. I think the only one in here making money is them. I've seen other reports online of them not paying people, but also let's look at this. So here is a testimonial. Now, these testimonial videos, these are on YouTube. They're all the sites that I've seen like this do the same thing. They go on to Fiverr. I can't say all these are from Fiverr actors. But this girl right here, as you can see right here, that's the same girl hired on Fiverr. You can check it out. They have these they don't call them testimonial videos anymore on Fiverr. They call them spokesperson videos. And they just hire these people off Fiverr to say whatever they want about their service. Totally not legit, totally suspicious in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And then they have pictures like this of Olivia White making some whatever claims here. You can just do a quick Google search, reverse image lookup or whatever, and you see this image at so many other places, which a lot of times these are just stock photos and stuff people get on the internet, or they just download whoever random ones. In fact, I've seen lots of sites like this where they just copy the same things. There's not too much dead giveaway stuff on these ones because, you know, about us page, blah blah blah. A lot of times they'll say they've been around in business since 2000 or whatever, and then you just go look at the Whois database. They don't put how long they've been in business for. I would stay away from it. I would not refer people to this at all. And you can let me know what you think in the comments below if you want. Have you tried it? Are you going to try it? I don't recommend it at all. I do, however, recommend lots of other videos that are on my channel or other services. I have videos about those that you can check out. I have a bunch of cash apps that you can start using today. A lot of them you can start making money today. Not large amounts of money, but you can start making, you know, small amounts, then grow from there. A bunch of free cryptocurrency apps that you can check out. I have my #1 recommendation for making money online as well, which will be linked down there for that. This is actually like a side hustle, like actually a job, part-time or full-time. It's not like some cash app where you just basically do nothing. But you can check those ones out as well, depending on what you want to do. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.